Hello and welcome back to the EPL Prediction Podcast. I'm Amir, this is Hussain, and today we're going to be talking about the fantasy game week 18 and 19. As you guys know, this is a very important phase in the game because game week
Yeah,
18 is only 6 games, and game week 19 is almost 19 games, I think 19 or 18
yeah,
games. So you have to really plan your team accordingly for this 2 game weeks, and it's very key to how you use your chips. Your chip strategy is very good. It has to be really on point here, and whether you use your wild card or whether you use your free hit, and how you go about using it in within these 2 game weeks is very important. So Sam, what are you doing for these 2 game weeks?
yeah. So I planned this game week since the last 2 weeks. I took multiple minus fours in consecutive weeks, and I made a team which I have all 11 players playing the game week 18. So I don't have to use my free hit. I'll use my free hit on the in game week 19, the double game week. So I removed Chilwell and Gordon, and I took Saka and Tierney. So that makes up my whole playing 11, as you can see on the screen. And hopefully, I can make my double game week count more than my free hit.
So you're saving
What have you done?
so you're saving a free hit for the game week for the double game week.
Double game week, yeah. Because I'm not sure if I use my wild card for the double game week, will that team actually be good going forward? It might ruin everything.
Okay. So basically, I had kept my transfers saved up. I had 2 free transfers for this week.
Okay.
I wasn't using any transfer the last 2 weeks, so I had a couple of transfers saved up. So I've made a few couple of changes for the double game week. I took in Rodrigo and Kevin De Bruyne, and I got rid of Ward-Prowse and Kane. And
Okay.
then I decided to play my free hit. After that, I saved that team, and then I
That's a
decided
really
to.
good move, yeah.
So I decided. Then I played my free hit, and the free hit team looks like this. You'll see it on screen right now. I've really backed City and United and Arsenal here because I think Tottenham has a tough game week against Aston Villa. So I've really backed
Yeah.
City, and I have a couple of Newcastle players. So that's my team. Like just 4 teams. That's it. 11 players and three really. I have Brewster and Mitchell and
Yeah.
someone else on the bench, which are useless. And the
This team
plan
looks really primed. It looks really good. Hopefully, you'll do well.
the plan going forward is then I will take the -8 for the double game week. So my team before this free hit is set up for a double game week. So I'll use a -8 or a -4 depending on whichever I need. So
Yeah.
I can have a strong bench which is playing a
Yeah.
double game week and the whole team that is playing a double game week by taking a -8 or a -4 hopefully. And then I will be using my bench boost the next week.
Yeah.
So I'll have a 14 players playing a double game week with a bench boost. So that is the strategy. Hopefully it works out, and hopefully none of the matches get cancelled and nobody gets a
Yeah.
red card in between.
Yeah, it's really a week of just if and buts, but yeah, that's a great strategy too. I really like it actually. It could your bench boost could really work. I don't think anybody is going to make more points on the bench if they are all having double game weeks than you.
So basically, I think the main things we have to look forward to is here for this week, the game week 18. What are the players
Yeah.
that you have to have in your team? At least uh, looking.
So if you're using a bench, if you're using a free hit, then what you have done is I feel as close to perfect it can get. You have gotten your Rashford, Fernandez, Sterling, De Bruyne, Lacazette, Saka, Stones. There's nothing. If you have the money, you need to go for three, three, and three. The triple threat of Man United, City, and Arsenal. After that, the cheaper players are naturally Newcastle. They're playing Sheffield, or you can fill that up with your defense. You can take a Wilson. It's perfect. It's all there.
Hmm. No, basically what I was talking about, if you're not using a chip strategy, if you're not using a free
Yeah.
hit or a wild card, I think what you
Mm.
really need to do is you have to get Fernandez and KDB on your team because they
Yeah.
have these are both players that you need to have for both game weeks. For game week 18,
Yeah.
game week
Yeah.
19. I think
Yeah.
Stones too. It makes a lot of sense to have Stones on your
Yeah.
team for these 2 game weeks.
Yeah.
Tierney makes is Tierney having a double game week?
No, I don't think Arsenal is playing a double game week, but Leeds is, and you can really look for Dallas over there, and
Yes.
even West Ham is. So West Ham has a few picks over there. Antonio is coming back, and Suchek is like the ultimate pick.
Yeah, I think at 5.1, Suchek is a no-brainer for a
No
double game
brainer,
week.
yeah.
So I think these are the 5 players I think you really. we would really recommend for the double game week.
Yeah.
Kevin De Bruyne, Bruno Fernandes, John Stones, Stuart Dallas, and it's Pavel Suchek, yeah? Thomas Suchek, sorry, Thomas Suchek.
Thomas Suchek.
Yeah. So I
Yeah.
think that is a pretty good roundup of the game week 18 and 19 as far as fantasy is
Yeah.
concerned. That about wraps it up for the fantasy game week. Do check out our other video, which is predictions for game week 18. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye.